Hi everyone, my name is Marlena Robbins with Cultural Coalition. This is the second video to our mask making activity. This is my co-creator, Liam Phillips. We'd just like to say thank you for watching. We'll go ahead and get started. So here's our example. It will upload the template for you. You can download it, print it out. Another easy way is to pull it up on your screen and then get a piece of paper and trace it off of your screen. That has worked in the past for us. What you'll need today are crayons right here, scissors,
always be careful with scissors, you don't want to hurt your eye,
tape,
don't tape yourself,
and a popsicle stick, and finally the template. So the first video that we did, we actually cut it out. So this time around we're going to decorate it first and then cut it out. Here's our mask. We just finished coloring it. So next thing we're going to do is cut it out with our scissors.
Be careful with your scissors.
Yes, be very careful with your scissors. Be patient. Take your time.
I hope you're safe. I hope you're feeling good.
Alright, so here we have our fox or coyote, whichever animal you choose to see it as. And now we're going to cut out the eyes. So the way we do that, we're going to fold it from this corner to this corner.
Now you have your mask. You can put some holes or you can put some popsicle sticks. And we're going to do that now.
So then we'll get our tape and our popsicle stick. There you go.
Okay. Now you have your mask.
Our finished product, our mask. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for attending the virtual El Puente Fest. Thank you so much for supporting the arts, for supporting Cultural Coalition. Take a look at our website, at our Facebook, Instagram. We look forward to creating more videos. We hope that this was a good activity for your family. Stay safe. We will see you next time. Yeah.
Bye.